I've been using the Samsung S90F 2025 model as my main TV for a while now, and honestly, it feels like stepping up to a whole new level of home entertainment. What surprised me first was just how alive everything looks. The OLED panel makes a huge difference. Blacks look truly black, not dark gray, and bright colors pop beautifully without looking artificial. Watching movies or streaming 4K content feels cinematic at home, and darker scenes keep their detail instead of turning into a muddy mess. I'm sharing the Amazon link at the top of the description. That's where I got mine too. It's from a trusted seller, so you get the genuine model fast, and usually at the best price. The NQ4 AI Gen3 Processor is something you really notice in daily use. It does more than just upscale. Older HD content looks surprisingly sharp, and even YouTube videos look cleaner and smoother. When you switch to actual 4K movies or shows, it looks stunning. Details in faces, backgrounds, and even fast scenes stay incredibly clear. For gaming, the Motion Xcelerator 144Hz feature really shines. Even action-heavy games feel super fluid, with barely any blur, and it makes sports look almost surreal in how smooth it is. It feels more like looking out of a window than watching a screen. One thing I didn't expect to appreciate so much is the Samsung Vision AI. The TV actually tweaks brightness and contrast on its own, depending on what's on the screen and the lighting in the room. It sounds like a small thing, but it means you almost never need to mess with picture settings. It just looks right, whether it's afternoon sunlight or late night movie time. It also fits right into daily life. The design is slim and elegant. It's the first TV I've had that feels equally perfect for late night movies, Sunday afternoon gaming, or just streaming random shows. Back-end index pointing right. If you're thinking of upgrading, I'd really recommend checking out the Amazon link at the top of the description. It's the same one I used,